Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video, let me show you how to sell courses on Gumroad. Now the first thing you need to do is make sure that you have a Gumroad account and then you have added in your payment or payout details already. This will allow you to go ahead and publish your courses for people to actually buy them. Now once that you have done that, we're gonna go into the products section. And then we're going to be creating a new product right here. Now this can be anything that you want right here. Here are a few of them. You can go ahead and choose this one to create a course. So say for example, we're going to create a course called Fundamentals of Science or something like that. It's going to be, say for example, it's a 3-week course. So we have 3 different contents per week. And let's go ahead and add in the price. So say for example, it's like £15 or something. Now, once that we're happy with that, we're gonna go ahead and click next right here. And then this is where the product information is going to be about. So say for example, we can go ahead and add in the description like what the what the course goal is about. And then you can just go ahead and add in information about them that you want. The URL is going to be the actual link itself. If you want to go ahead and add it so that you have a / at the end, say for example FOS or something like that, you can go ahead and do so to make it more better for the others as well. Don't forget to add in your cover and your thumbnail as well. And then these are a few more information that you want in here. A few things on the pricing. If you want the customers to pay for what they want, you can go ahead and do so. If you want the customers to pay in installments, you can go ahead and do so. Different versions as well. So say for example, you want them to unlock a different version so that you only have the actual information part or the course details, but you don't want them to have, say for example, exams or the quizzes that they can have or additional resources. So there's different versions that you can add into that. If you want to add in your custom domain, you can go ahead and do so right here at the bottom as well. Now once that you're happy, we're gonna go ahead and create our show our actual content in here. And of course, when it comes to courses, some courses can have multiple information into it. So say for example, as I have said, we'll make it into a 3-week course. So there is going to be week 1, week 2, and also week 3 right here. But what we're actually gonna do is, instead of putting everything into one big massive file, we're actually gonna be creating pages into it. So say for example, our first page right here, so let's call it week 1, is going to be, say for example, I don't know, the nature of science right here. Now we're gonna go into week 2, and then say for example, we can add in, I don't know, understanding the core scientific concepts, something like that. And then our week 3 is going to be something like science in action or something like that. Now since this is going to be a course, we need to actually give all the information in here. So we can either present this to them as a PDF, so we can go ahead and upload a PDF in here with all of the details that we want, or if we want them to actually, we can go ahead and create all of the different texts in here. So say for example, our, I don't know, what is the learning objectives of the week, something like that. Say for example, understanding basic concepts in physics, chemistry, and biology, something like this. So as you can see, we are slowly building the actual course itself within Gumroad in itself. We can go ahead and add in weekly assignments as well. And if you want, your clients or your students to upload things for your quizzes, you can go ahead and add in an input right here where they can either add in short answer, long answer, or even upload a file, and so on and so forth. So go ahead and play around with the contents in here. I highly recommend, again, splitting these into different pages for each week for them to go ahead and create and follow through the course itself. Now, once that you're happy in terms of you've created your actual course itself, you're happy to go ahead and publish it. So go ahead and click publish and continue. But as I have said, you need to make sure that you have one payment method already in place before actually putting this live. And there you go. I hope you have found this video helpful. See you guys next time.